Well, greetings YouTube, LMS Tactical. I hope everybody's doing good. This is a bit of a departure, as you've already noticed, from my normal material. I'm going to do a review here of these two items here. And it's not common for me to do such detailed reviewing, but the reason I'm going to do it with these is because it is summer and it's hot here in the States. And I know that in the summertime in South Africa, it gets really hot. And I know that you guys are always looking for ways to stay cool, and in other parts of the world as well. So, it's not often that I have two items made by separate companies. So it gives me a chance to do a review or a comparison anyway. I don't know if I'm going to do an actual review because that would really make this a long video. But what we have here is, these are, for those that don't know what they're looking at, devices that go around the neck and keep you cool. That's in the short version of the description. All right, let me get my extra tongue out of my mouth. All right, got that gone. Now, this one here is the ITHKY leafless hanging neck fan, and this one, I got these both off of Amazon, and I think this one was about 28 bucks. This one was about $130. This one, so I'm guessing that one's going to be better, and that's just because I subscribe to the theory that if it costs more, it must be better. Many times I'm proven wrong, so let's see what happens. So we're going to start with this one and see what the differences are, the obvious differences. I'm just going to get right in. Sometimes I look at reviews on YouTube, and it drives me nuts when people talk about, oh, this is made of some very fine cardboard, and you can see they took their time to really package it nice. Nobody gives a crap about that. They just want to know if the thing works, and if it works good. So we're not going to talk about, oh, how great this twisty tie is. And you can see they twisted to their right, which shows that they're very competent, because the European countries tend to twist to the left, which, you know, that's a subtle sign of communist infiltration. So you got your power cord, instructions that no man of his right mind would ever read until he's completely lost, and the device itself. Nothing hidden. So, it looks cool. Ooh, it actually turned on. I accidentally hit the button, and listen, it turned on. See, you don't need instructions. More power. It's like little fans. More power. And that's it. So it's got three, I guess, different power. 2, 3. Hang on a second. Oh, you can adjust it. One of the things it's missing that had a lot to do with the lesser cost was a metal thing here, a section that cooled your neck off from the rear. And I believe the other one has it, the Coolify. We'll check it out. But, yeah, you can twist this around. Looks like it's very user-friendly in terms of you don't have to worry about babying it. It's not going to break. Look at that. That's fun. It's like a little stress reliever, just that in itself. So nothing too complicated. You open it up, make sure you get it charged up all the way, which it's not, and then put it on, and you got little fans in your neck, and that's pretty much it. What did I say it was? I don't know, 28 bucks, something like that. What's less than 30? So let's check out the more expensive one and see if that is any more exciting. All right. Always have your SOG knife ready. That's an Aegis for you knife people. Had that for years. Some of the finest plastic shrink wrap I've ever seen. They've taken their time. It's so beautiful. Shut up, Mike. All right, how do we open this? Yep. Just upside down. And come on, baby. Ooh. Well, I gotta admit, that is packed nice. That looks like it'd be a cool little display in a store if you were selling these. And it comes with a free reflection of me looking right back at you. Ooh, child. All right, it's completely shrink wrapped again. Cut that. Trying to go fast here so I don't have to keep stopping the video and starting it. Okay, Coolify. Whatever, hands-free design. Well, I hope so. Okay, so how do we open this? What do we do? have no idea. Quit it. Give me my freaking thing, man. I paid for it. It's mine. Get out of there. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Opens up like a clamshell of joy. Now, look at this. Looky, looky. What are these? Do I get a sticker? I like stickers. Alright, so you got all kinds of chargers, and you can scan for a video probably that teaches you how to use it. You don't need that crap. Just give me my toy. Now this one has a lot more weight to it. I can tell you that right now. This one feels heavier than this one. And if you look, this has the little steel thing I'm talking about that's supposed to make it, like, make the difference, all the difference in the world. Ooh. Okay, so we got some power. Oh, it's got more settings. Okay, so 1, low, 2, 3. So it's got 3 settings, so I guess it's the same. All right. And I feel air coming out here, and I guess it takes a while for this. Ooh, no, it doesn't. That's already getting cold. Holy shit, that really does have a chill to it. I'll put this on. Hang on a second. Wow. I wonder if I can turn this camera around. Let's see. Yeah. Ooh, wait. Hang on a second. So, put this on. You walk around, and you're like, hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? What's up? You know, can I hear it? Yeah. It's not like uncomfortably loud. I can work, you know. I'll be painting the fence tomorrow. Be finishing that job. So I'll wear this out. It's one of the main reasons I got it. And what's really cool, here, let me, since we're doing this, let me turn it off. Hold on a second. Let me try the other one. This thing here. I don't know how to. Come on, you bastard. Trying to get you to see. I suck. Quit it. Whore baby. There we go. All right, so we'll try this one. The fans feel good. I think they're about the same level of noise. Feels really good, actually. But I am noticing the absence of the coldness on my neck, which is supposed to take a lot of the heat off of you when you're out there in the sun. So yeah, the controls are right here. You just reach up and there they are. Now you can look these up because I don't want to keep you guys waiting. But I believe they get each one, I think they get about 4 hours of continuous use if you got them on full blast. Of course, if you use them in a lower setting, they're going to last longer. I should just turn them on and have a video of just them to see which one burns out the quickest. Be like the most boring video in the history of YouTube. Okay, so which one do I like better? With the limited experience I've had. All right, here we go. I'm just going to be honest here. Got to use both of my hands here. Okay, hang on. Now, obviously, I haven't worn these out and about, but in the quick review that I've done, or comparison, I got to decide between Coolify, like Coolio, and this brand, which is ITHKY. I've never heard of it. Honestly, here's what I'm going to say. For 20, I'm not good at math, but let's say that this one is 26 bucks. I think it's like $26, $28. This is over 100. It's like 130. I'd get this one. I don't think the difference so far is worth the vast difference in money. Some people like name brands, and I don't know if that's a name brand, but some people believe, and you remember I made that little tongue-in-cheek about it must be the best one because it costs more. A lot of people feel that way. That's a natural way to think, I believe. But quite frankly, which one am I wearing right now? Okay, I'm wearing the expensive one. Let's see here. It actually is a hot day today. Yeah, I mean, honest to God, I'd get the cheaper one. Why waste all that money to get that one cool thing when I feel almost no difference, except for there's just not a cold thing on the back of my neck. Now maybe if I wear it all day long, that's going to make a difference. I don't know. But not everybody has $130 to throw away on a fucking neck air conditioner or whatever you call it. Neck fan, a hanging neck fan. If it was me, go to Amazon. I think they even have cheaper ones, to be honest with you. This one, though, seems to be pretty damn good. I mean, you can twist it around. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Radio check. Roger. I mean, you can have fun with it. I like it. Well, I'll keep both and we'll see what happens. But yeah, if you had to make a decision today and you're basing it off of this video, save yourself the money. Go with the cheaper one. It's just as good. That's it. I hope it's helpful. In the meantime, you guys stay safe. LMS Tactical, I'm out.